What's going on? Daily vlog number 26? 26, maybe 27. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Quarantine's almost over, but I have huge news for you guys. Huge news. So Christina is a, how should I say this? Not a health freak, but she's healthy. She likes to eat healthy. I don't.
Very aware of her health.
So for the last year of my life, yeah, we've been together over a year, I have yet to have normal bacon. And what did I come home to today? Was some real bacon. It's time to celebrate.
Don't get too excited. It's all they had at the store.
I'm pitching a tent right now.
That sounds gross.
A bacon tent.
Bacon. And Zach's still here. Hello.
Hey, what's up?
We just picked up this. I need to stop. This is getting weird. Daily vlog number 27. Actually, I think it's 26.
Wow. That actually, yeah, it's like, that really is like, hello. It's like a mirror.
It looks so cool.
That looks a lot better than I thought it would. Look at me.
Way better.
Think I look cute.
No, you don't.
Whoa! I recorded that too. She said if they saw the things that are on your feet right now, they would not think so. Look at that. Look.
Who else agrees?
What are those?
No, you need to put them on your feet right.
The fact that I'm recording myself backwards like this right now.
Look at his fucking ankles hanging off the back. 'Cause he doesn't put them on right. It's so stupid.
Okay, all right. It's getting dark. I'll see you guys in the morning. Y'all have a great night. Well, I can't say let's get this break because it's like right at the beginning of the video. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
A few moments later.
Well, it's a new day, and I'm over here at the upholstery shop, and we're watching my videos on. We're watching my videos on his new TV. It's really weird to be filming a YouTube video while watching YouTube videos. That's like YouTubeception. I look cute. Look at that hat. That's a nice hat. Look at me up there. Okay, here's the deal. Here's the deal. Cody's here for proof. He's a witness.
Yes.
How many views do we have to get to put mirrored tint on the windshield? How many, what, like 1,000 likes?
Yeah.
1,000 likes.
5,000.
5,000 likes? That has to be at least somewhat like obtainable.
That is. I mean, it may take a couple of years, but you got this, bro. Positivity, right?
Okay, 5,000 likes. And if you guys remember the video from yesterday, we put mirrored tint on the windows at the house. And I was trying to convince Zach to let me put that on my truck, and it's not going so well, obviously. But we've been given a goal, 5,000 likes, and we will put mirrored tint on the windshield of the truck. So ready, set, go. This is probably my worst idea. Well, maybe the red windshield, the red tint for the truck was probably a worse idea.
That would be sick.
That'd be really cool.
That'd be bad.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. 1,000 likes, and we'll do red tint on the windows. 5,000, and we'll do mirror on the windshield. Sorry, I can't talk today. But yeah. So we'll do that. We've been talking about doing some like $10 Walmart challenges or like a Goodwill challenge or something for mods for the truck. So if you guys want to see some of those videos, make sure to drop a comment below. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see, and I will make it happen.
I told you all that stuff would work. Look at it. Going to work. You're gonna be dead in a couple days.
I got super lucky the other day. I found a screw
And I want to say it was this tire. Maybe it was this tire. One of the left side tires. I'm pretty sure it was the left front. I found a screw in it the other day, and it definitely did not go all the way into the tire. So I got super lucky with that.
Now, I don't really think that we're gonna get 5,000 likes, let alone 5,000 views on this video, but you know, every like and view and subscription, all that great stuff, you know, is much appreciated. I love you guys so much for all the support you've been giving me on these daily vlogs. Number 26, number 26 is a huge milestone. I never thought I'd get past a week, like I said, so it's pretty crazy that we've made it this far. Make sure you guys are staying safe. I know quarantine is coming to an end for a lot of you guys, so make sure, you know, when you get the opportunity to get back out and really get back on the grind, make sure give it everything you got. I am getting my hair cut on Monday. It's time for I don't know if my guy Steph watches my videos or not, but it's time to it's time to clean it up. So I'm super excited about that. It's supposed to storm pretty good tonight, so you know I'm gonna try and end the video off a little bit early. Not too long of a video for you guys today, but let me know what I should do about the tint. Should I try and put the mirror tint on it or no? I feel like it'd be cool. It's different. I don't really think anybody's ever done that, but YouTube's been giving me some issues. I try and try and have the videos uploaded by 6:30 or 7, so then I can schedule them to just go up right at 8 o'clock, but sometimes YouTube's been giving me some issues, so I've been trying to, you know, figure that out. But hope you guys like the content. I will see you tomorrow, 8 o'clock, bright and early, bright and late, whatever time I guess that you watch these videos. Some of you wake up in the morning and watch it. Anyway, I like to ramble on right at the end, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, let's get this bread.
Get the spread.
Is it gonna focus on me? Is there? Say hello. Freedom_F150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today.
Dude, it's pretty damn wide.